Are you visiting the Oregon coast for the first time and you don't know where to go? Well, this video is for you. There's breathtaking sights to see, places to shop, restaurants to eat at, and of course, more fun with the kids. But for now, let's go back to the beginning.
Did he jump off the rock? Look at this big postcard.
And when the sun shining, regardless if you do believe, hey, celebrate. In the morning when I see your face, need you more when you go, I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control. Yeah, so baby, don't lose control. I'm focused on you, baby. Lately you've been in my aim. I've been reaching out for you and still they're so far away. Looking through the smoke in the mirror. Crazy how I see you so clear. Crazy how I see you so clear. And how you make me smile. And how you make me smile. Oh yeah. And how you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile. Smile more when I see you. Smile less when I miss you. No, I don't wanna be left alone. Oh no.
This turns on and then that turns on. How do you turn on?
Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love.
Yeah, this is right here. Ew. You know people eat octopus?
Oh, this is the only
Mimi, would you eat octopus?
or through pouches near their blowhole, the most commonly seen whale at Yaquina Head. Now opens into sea lions.
Ew. It scared me and I thought it was spiders.
That's messed up. That's messed up. What is this animal right here? What is this? Is it big? Oh, this one's hand puppets too. Or finger puppet. Look at this wind though. Look at Casey. Her. Today, yep, we are gonna go to the outlet mall first because I want to go to the coach. And then after that, we're gonna go eat at this restaurant called Gregory's Beach, I think. And then we're gonna go to the
Just kidding.
Share with you my coach haul real quick. Lincoln City Outlet haul. This is a 2-compartment backpack. You got one in the front, one in the back, and one in the front. So this is how the back looks like. It's adjustable. And on top of that, I also got a coach wallet. It's so pretty. It's white, and then inside of it is brown. Kenley backpack. It's a little bit bigger than this one. And we also went to North Face and we got some jackets and some beanies. I'm gonna show the hoop earrings. And then here I've got some jackets, and you guys can see how that looks like being worn when we are in the Oregon Museum. Wait, what? Oregon Aquarium. Is that what it's called? Oh, Oregon Coast Aquarium. What do you just see?
Stuffed animal.
And he broke it so that he could eat the crab inside the shell. You see it?
Going to the Whale Cove.
Peace. At the Devil's, wait, what are we
Punch
at?
bowl.
Devil's Punch Bowl. And the lighthouse is way out there.
There's a sea otter.
Our campsite, I think, is over there somewhere.
And it's nice and sunny today.
There is no green stuff on it.
This rock
Look
over here
over
is just
there.
ugly
There's
shit.
green stuff on it now. Yeah.
Otter rock.
So even the houses are there.
It still looks the same.
I can't see that.
Whaleback Rock, where are you?
Is that white thing over there that's been covered?
Probably. And that is the Devil's Punch Bowl. So don't get punched. This has been the cookies for this camping trip by the Cookie Fellow. Right now I'm going to try the Ghosted Cookie, which is a toffee drizzled with white chocolate. This is how it looks like. Tried the Goodbye Heartbreakers, Quarantine and Chill. Ooh, this was so good, but I don't think I like the pretzels in there. And that's about it. I love the toffee and the dark chocolate chunks now. There was one more that I love, which apparently I think the kids ate them all, which was the Sugar Daddy. And that one was a cinnamon sugar. So basically like a sugar cookie with cinnamon sugar cookie. Snickerdoodle kind of.
Ooh, here's another place that you could go. We did not get to go here, but this is the Museum of Flight. And don't forget to check out part 1 of the 10 places you can visit on the Oregon coast. This will be more north in Astoria, Oregon. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. And don't forget, have a beautiful, wonderful day.